Hello guys, this is Dr. Abdurrahman. Today we are going to share with you how to calculate Macaulay duration from date or period. Last time we calculate the Macaulay duration as an year. So today we are going deeply uh, to see how we can do it. The example here said that now consider an example for coupon payment that a 6 semi-annually, the period here is semi-annually corporate bond measured on 14 February 2027 and purchase it for settlement on 11 April 2019. The coupon here, the coupon payment 3 per percent or per 100 of par value. Paid 14 February and 14 August for each year. The yield to maturity is 6, quoted on straight convention semi-annually bond basis. The full price of this bond comprise that the flat price plus accurate interest. The flat price here they given is 99.90432 and per 100 of bar value. The accurate interest rate calculated using the 3 divided by 360 method to account days. So this is the method that we use to calculate the days. Let's see how we do that. Okay. Here we will focus. Let's delete this. Here we will focus on main. Let's do this. We will focus on main point here. Number one is coupon, which here C is resemble the coupon, is 6. 6 divided by 2. Why? Because it's semi-annually, so that we divide it by 2. R is 6. Also, we should divide it by 2 in order to get semi-annually. The full years, or N, it should be 2027 minus 2090. So we will get 8 years. We need to multiply it by 2 to get semi-annually years. So it will be 60. How to calculate T? And as if you remember that T, we need to calculate small t and capital T to get this one in the formula. So we need to calculate one by one in order to found it. So T here is 14 February 2019 to 11 April 2019. This we will get 57 days. If you use the calculators, use the calculator and you will find that. And T here is 14 February 2019 to 14 August 2019. We will get here 180 days. So 57 divided by 180 here we will get this 0.316667. Okay, so we need to calculate here PV, present value. The present value here is already when R equal coupon equal interest rate, that means present value should be equal the future value here. And future value we already get here, or R value, or sometimes, as we said before, they call it face value also. So when coupon rate equal interest rate or required rate of return, that means face value equal present value. So if you sit this in calculator and calculate it, you will get this number. Okay, then we move. We already, they given us here the flat price. Flat price they given already 99.99 or almost 100, but let it like this in order to calculate the full price and our accurate interest. Okay, in order to calculate the accurate interest, we will put, or we will set the calculator. If you have par plus, just set it as here we wrote it, or you can press 2 and D and bond, so you will find the date, or how to calculate the using date to get the accurate interest or accrued interest, sorry. So we will set the in calculator. We will put SDT 11 April 2019, and we will put the coupon as it is. Here we will not divide it because calculator already we will set in calculator. As you can see, we put 2 divided by y, or this means it is semi-annually. So we will put the coupon and interest rate as it is. And then we will put 14 February 2027 as the end of the date. This is beginning of date and this is the end of date. So we will ask the calculator and we will say find the accrued interest. We will get this number. So we will we need full price. We should add this to the flat price in order to get full price. So if we need to calculate T divided by small t divided by capital T in calculator, we will put as future value equal full price, this, and present value, which we already calculated 100, and return or interest, it is 3 because it's semi-annually. Then the coupon rate is 3 also because semi-annually. We will say compute T or N here, so we will get same same number that we got it here. So there is 2 way to calculate T here. Okay, we need here to calculate we use all these figures to calculate Macaulay duration. So we got N, which is 16 years, T 57 days, and capital T, it is 180 days. When we divide it, we got this number. which is 0.31 or 0.317. The coupon we got here is 3 semi-annually, 3%, and R or interest 3% semi-annually. The period or the semi-annually period is 2 because it's semi-annually. If they said quarterly, so it will be 4. If they said for example monthly, so we need to divide by 12. All this we need to divide 12, 12, 12. So that will be semi-annually. Okay, this the formula for the period or semi-annually or quarterly or and so on. Now we need just to put the figures and to get the final result. R divided by N, which is this number, we already got 3%. They say 1 plus R divided by N, so it will be 1 plus 3 divided by R divided by N, so it will be 3. Then we need to minus this from this number. That means 1 plus R divided by N plus N, which is 16 years, multiplied by C is coupon, which is 3, divided by R, R divided by N, which is also we already got it here. So when we put all this, we need to divide this by 2, and also here T, a small t, divided by capital T. We will already got the number here. So all this, it will be given 12.62 divided by 2. We will got 6.31. So guys, please go carefully and understand the equation here, understand the example carefully, and just go one by one so that you can understand better and so on. And also please subscribe, subscribe in order to encourage us to do more better. Also, if you have any comment, please leave it down so that we can found and respond based like this. Thank you so much. We so appreciate your watching, and we say goodbye.